Hello guys, this is a tutorial about Aurory, one of my favorite NFT games for 2023. This is a game you can play own and earn without making any investment at all. Aurory is a tactical turn-based JRPG that right now runs on Solana blockchain. Currently, the earns are based on winning matches against other players, and by doing this we accumulate the in-game currencies, Polka and Toki. Therefore, you automatically join the weekly pool and earn your share. Initially, we open our browser, access the website and create an account to join the game. Hit connect and log in with one of these 5 social medias or your Solana wallet. But I highly recommend you to log in with your Solana wallet because later you will need it to withdraw your gains. Account created, let's first complete the tutorial to learn a little bit more about the game dynamics. After this, the multiplayer section is gonna be unlocked and we can match other players. Joining the multiplayer matches will require a team to be set, which is basically choosing 3 Neferis and going to battle. Currently, there are 9 different Neferis and 3 more to come. Doesn't matter if it's a tank, a fighter, a healer or any other, they all have 7 attributes and 3 abilities. Health is the maximum amount of damage a Nephri can take before dying in battle. Initiative is the attribute that establishes the taking order actions, meaning who goes first, second, and so on. Physical attack is related to the physical damage. Physical defense is an attribute that reduces the amount of physical damage you receive. Meter attack and defense are just like physical attack and defense, but they are related to the ethereal or magical abilities. Movement range represents the amount of tiles your Nephri can walk. Basic attack is an ability related to physical damage and can be done from a distance or side by side, depending on each Nephri. Then we have the passive ability. Each one has its own. Zoo, for example, reflects part of the damage taken to nearby creatures. And the third is the special ability, which require high points. They are diverse, such as healing, wounding, attacks that deal more damage, dodging an enemy attack. After joining the game, I recommend you to learn about them all. The matches will happen in different scenarios, but all dashboards are composed with the same cells. The neutral cells are the basic ones, only used to move around. The jump cells will throw your Nephri every time it walks by. The hype cells are the ones with this little fire, and it gives your Nephri hype points when finish your turn on them. We needed to use magical abilities. And there also are healing cells. The game essentially runs on 3 concepts. First is the synergy among your team. This means how well they will work together in battle by providing some kind of advantage that results in more ease. These are the comps that the top 8 players are using. I will leave it as a suggestion for your game start. The second is position. Since we will start playing with 3 Nephris, the initiative are the same. The order here matters. They are disposed in ABC order. A goes first and C last. It also determines their position on the dashboard. A on the left, B center and C right. One tip about position is use shift to orientate your Nephri path, so you can make a different movement than the game's standard. Third is understand the time cost. Each action here costs time units. If we attack, move or use any special ability, this makes our Nephri move on the timeline. It's crucial to understand and manage well your timeline position. Here on this doc sheet created by a community member, there are some details about it and will certainly help you to improve your game skills and strategies. Thanks for watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to join our other communities. Every link are in the description. Ciao!